Repeat after me. Le déjeuner. Which means the breakfast. Le déjeuner. Oups. Aujourd'hui, je vais parler de mon déjeuner. Which means today I will speak about my breakfast. OK. Aujourd'hui, je vais parler de mon déjeuner. Je vais parler de mon déjeuner maintenant. Je vais parler. Oops. In English, it means I will speak about my breakfast now. But yeah, I mean like my current breakfast. What I really mean is like the breakfast I'm eating nowadays every morning, I was about to say every night, but every morning. De mon déjeuner préféré quand j'étais jeune. Of my favorite breakfast when I was a kid. Or actually, when I was young. Maybe I should say like, or young. When I was a kid or when I was young. Des suppléments que je prends. I mean, of the supplement that I take. Des suppléments que je prends. Et des déjeuners que ma mère faisait. Just checking I'm recording that microphone. Et des déjeuners que ma mère faisait, which means and of the breakfast that my mom was doing or creating or making. Making. I would say making is the most accurate. Mon déjeuner est presque toujours le même. My breakfast is nearly always the same. Je mange du gruau avec des graines de chia. I eat some oatmeal with some chia seed. Je mange du gruau avec des graines de chia. Des graines de lin moulu et de la cannelle. Flaxseed grounded with some cinnamon. So grounded flaxseed with cinnamon. Je le fais chauffer au micro-ondes. Which means I warm it up in the microwave. Après, j'ajoute des noix, comme des noix de Grenoble, et des petits fruits. So I'm reading too much. Let me restart this. Après, j'ajoute des noix, comme des noix de Grenoble. After, I add some nuts, like some walnuts. Noix de Grenoble, walnuts. Okay, so what did I messed up this recording. Après, j'ajoute des noix comme des noix de Grenoble. Okay. After, I add some nuts, like some walnuts. Did I just repeat the same exact thing 2 times? I don't know. I don't see the text written there, so anyway. Et des petits fruits congelés, comme des framboises et des bleuets. And some small fruit frozen, like some raspberry and some blueberry. J'aime beaucoup ce déjeuner. I love a lot this breakfast. Okay, I'm going word for word. I'm not really doing like I love this breakfast a lot because I just want you to know the order. Je pense qu'il est très bon pour la santé. I think that it is really good for the health. Quand j'étais jeune, when I was young, mon déjeuner préféré était des rôtis avec du beurre d'arachide. We mostly say toast though. Mon déjeuner préféré était des toasts avec du beurre d'arachide ou du beurre de peanut. Okay. My favorite breakfast was some toast with some peanut butter. Peanut butter. Du Nutella et des bananes. Some Nutella and some banana. Je faisais plusieurs rôtis. I was making a bunch of toast. C'était très gros et très bon. It was really big and really good. J'adorais manger ça le matin. I was loving eating that in the morning. Maintenant, je prends quelques suppléments. Maintenant, I think it's going to be nowadays. Nowadays, I take a couple supplements. Je prends de la vitamine D. I take some vitamin D. Et du calcium et des oméga 3. Some calcium and some omega 3. Parfois, je prends aussi de l'ashwagandha. Sometimes I also take some ashwagandha. Okay. De la créatine ou du collagène. Some creatine and I said and some collagen. Should be a. I can't modify it right now. Doesn't matter. Je ne sais pas si je sens une grande différence. I mean, I don't know if I feel a big difference. Mais je continue à les prendre. But I keep taking it. Let me re-record. But I keep taking them. OK. Le matin, je fais souvent de l'exercice avant de manger. In the morning, I often do some exercise before eating. Je cours jusqu'au parc. Je fais des tractions et des pompes. Okay, we don't use that much in Quebec. I'll re-record a second. Je cours jusqu'au parc. Je fais des push-ups et des pull-ups. Okay, on utilise push-up and pull-up. We use push-up and pull-up mostly. I run up to the park and I do some pull-up and some push-up. Après, je rentre à la maison et je mange mon déjeuner. After, I return home and I eat my breakfast. Souvent, je regarde une vidéo sur YouTube pendant que je mange. Often, I look at a video on YouTube while I eat. When I... Oups. Quand j'étais jeune, ma mère faisait de très bons déjeuners. When I was young, my mom was making some really good breakfast. Elle faisait du pain doré, des crêpes et des crêpes au sarrasin avec de la mélasse. She was making some... Ooh, how do you call that? French toast. Okay. She was making some French toast, some crêpes, and some crêpes buckwheat pancake with molasses. C'était vraiment délicieux. Merci, maman. It was really delicious. Thank you, mom. Question. Qu'est-ce que l'ashwagandha? Question, what is ashwagandha? Pour moi, c'est difficile à dire. For me, it's hard to say. Je pense que ça aide à avoir plus d'énergie et à réduire le stress. I think it helps to have more energy and reduce stress. Je n'ai pas remarqué une grande différence, mais je continue à en prendre. I have not noticed a big difference, but I keep taking it. Keep taking some. Je pense que c'est un peu comme l'entraînement. I think it's a little bit like training. When I do some... Oops. French first. Quand je fais du sport, je ne vois pas toujours les résultats tout de suite. When I do some sport, I don't see always... when I do some sport, I don't always see the result like right away. Tout de suite, right away. Mais après plusieurs mois, but after many months, je remarque que je suis plus fort et que j'ai une meilleure posture. I notice that I am stronger and I have a better posture. Je pense que les suppléments sont peut-être comme ça aussi. I think that supplements are maybe like that also. Okay, thank you for watching. This is part of this course here, the shadowing course. And this is subject number 4, le déjeuner. And it is based on this real presentation where I'm speaking maybe more naturally, more like a freestyle, which has the whole transcript there. This is like about 1,000 word. The one that I just made the flashcard for was 300 word, A1, A2 level. And yeah, it's gonna be right there. You're the best. Peace.